Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify tax refund status using Where's My Refund, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your tax refund status using the Where's My Refund tool, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.irs.gov and press enter. Once the IRS website loads, look for the search bar, usually located at the top of the page. Type Where's My Refund into the search bar and hit enter. In the search results, click on the link that says Where's My Refund? You will be directed to the Where's My Refund page. Before proceeding, make sure you have your tax information ready. To check your status, you'll need to enter your Social Security number. Next, input your filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Then, enter the exact refund amount shown on your tax return. Once all the information is filled out, click the Submit button. The system will process your information and display your refund status. You may see messages indicating if your refund is still being processed, approved, or sent. Take note of the estimated date of your refund, which may be provided. If your refund has been sent, check the payment method listed, such as direct deposit or mail check. In case of issues, consider the FAQs section for additional guidance. Keep your information secure and avoid sharing it with untrusted sources. If you experience difficulties, try accessing the site during off-peak hours for better performance. You can also verify your refund status using the IRS2Go mobile app for convenience. Simply download the app and follow similar prompts to access your information. By following these steps, you can easily verify the status of your tax refund online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.